Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. If you collected a lot of apple after apple picking and you're looking for some delicious recipe, then this recipe is for you. Today I'm making apple coffee cake, which you can enjoy with the coffee or chai. It's moist apple cake with some cinnamon sugar and walnut crunchy topping. Without further ado, let's go and make it happen. Now let's start our recipe. Bismillah. First I'm taking 8 by 8 inch glass dish and taking cold batter and grease this dish completely. This recipe will lead to two 8 by 8 inch cakes. Now I'm taking large mixing bowl with the softened butter and I will add some white granulated sugar in there and start beating with the help of electric mixer until the butter and sugar will cream together, which will take like a minute or two. My butter was not that softened at this point, so it took a little more time. And you can do all of this process with the hand whisk as well, but again it will take a little bit more time. Now I'm adding some egg and vanilla essence and start beating again with the electric mixer until everything is completely mixed through. Now I will add dry ingredients. I have some all-purpose flour with some baking powder, baking soda and salt, and alternate it with sour cream. Right now I am just doing half of the recipe, but if you're doing the complete recipe, just alternate between flour and sour cream. Just beat it until it's almost mixed through, because we don't want to overbeat it after adding flour. So I'm using spatula and folding everything together. Now I will add apples. Today I'm using Granny Smith apple and I took half of the peel off, but you can use whatever apple your family enjoy. Now here goes the secret ingredient. This is cardamom powder, elaichi powder, and I learned this from Sarah from Flour and Spice blog. And this cardamom powder will give our cake that distinct flavor, and believe me, you will enjoy it. Now I'll transfer this batter onto our prepared pan, just smooth the top and put this cake batter on the side. Till then we're gonna make our topping, and for that I already added brown sugar and cinnamon in the bowl. Now we'll cut the cold butter in this mixture. I already shared this trick with you guys when I was making my biscuits. So you can grate the cold butter with the box grater, or you can chop it off as well. Then I'm adding some chopped walnuts, mix everything well with the help of fork. Now bring back your cake again and sprinkle all this topping on top of your cake. Spread it evenly. Now my oven is already preheated on 350 degrees, and this will go in the center rack for 30 to 35 minutes, or until toothpick inserted comes out clean. Bring the cake out, leave it on the counter and let it cool down completely in the pan before serving, or serve warm with the coffee or the tea. The tartness of sour cream and apple, moist apple cake with crunchy nutty topping. This cake is perfect for the breakfast or with your evening coffee or tea. And if you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.